DIY financial planning. Take control of your finances. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mastery. Today, we're diving into DIY financial planning. Ready to take control of your finances? Let's go. Step 1. Set clear goals. First up, set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a house, a car, or an emergency fund, having a target keeps you motivated. Step 2. Track your spending. Next, track your spending. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money goes. This helps you identify areas where you can cut back. Step 3. Create a budget. Now, create a budget. Allocate your income to different categories like bills, savings, and fun. Stick to it and watch your savings grow. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Don't forget to build an emergency fund. Aim for 3-6 months worth of expenses. This safety net will keep you stress-free during unexpected situations. Step 5. Educate yourself. Finally, educate yourself, read books, watch videos, and stay updated on financial news. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. And there you have it, DIY financial planning in 5 simple steps. Take charge of your finances today and secure a better future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more money mastery tips. See you next time. Subscribe to Money Mastery for more tips on YouTube.